All right, listen up, my little money monkeys. If you had invested just $150 every 2 weeks, you could end up with over $1 million. Sounds crazy, right? But here's the thing. Most people will never do it. And the reason why is probably sitting somewhere in your house right now. Maybe it's under your mattress. Maybe it's in your bank account. Or maybe it's inside a shopping cart on Amazon. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your money work for you. And more importantly, I'm going to tell you the one mistake that keeps most people broke. And trust me, even a monkey could avoid this mistake. Welcome to Money Monkey. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about making money simple. No complicated Wall Street talk, no suits, no nonsense. Just practical money lessons that even a banana-eating monkey like me can understand. So if that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and smash the like button. Because the YouTube algorithm loves bananas and likes. Now let me ask you something. What are you doing with your money right now? Are you saving it? Keeping it in your bank account? Maybe you're hiding cash somewhere in your house. Some people literally keep money under the mattress. Which, by the way, is a terrible investment strategy. Because while your money is sleeping under your mattress, inflation is slowly eating it. Every single year, your money becomes worth a little less. And the other option most people choose is spending. New phone, new sneakers, new car, another subscription they forgot they even have. And every time you do that, you are making someone else wealthy. When it comes to money, you really only have two choices. Choice number one, spend money on things that make other people rich. Choice number two, invest money so you become rich. That's it. Two choices. Most people choose the first one. And that is exactly why most people stay broke. Now I want to tell you something important. You don't need to be rich to start investing. When I started investing, I didn't have thousands of dollars. I didn't have a financial advisor. And honestly, I didn't know much about the stock market. All I did was invest $150 every 2 weeks. That's it. $150. My company automatically invested the money from my paycheck into stocks and mutual funds. And over time, something amazing happened. Not because I was smart, not because I was lucky, but because of one powerful force. And if you understand this force, you can build wealth too. We'll come back to that in a minute. So what is the stock market, really? A lot of people think it's some complicated system controlled by billionaires in suits. But in reality, it's very simple. The stock market is just a collection of companies. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Coca-Cola, or Walmart. And when you buy a stock, you are buying a small piece of that company. If the company grows, your investment grows. If the company becomes more profitable, your investment grows. It's basically like owning a tiny piece of businesses all around the world. Now let's be honest for a moment. Yes, you can lose money in the stock market if you invest in bad companies or if you panic and sell when the market drops. But history tells a very interesting story. Over the last 90 years, the stock market has returned around 10% per year on average. Some years it goes down, some years it goes up. But long term, it grows. And that's why the stock market is one of the most powerful wealth-building tools in the world. But here's the mistake most people make. They try to get rich fast. They chase hype stocks. They follow random advice on the internet. They panic when the market drops. And they quit investing after one bad year. That's like planting a banana tree and digging it up 2 weeks later because it hasn't grown yet. Wealth doesn't grow overnight. It grows over time. Remember earlier when I told you about investing $150 every 2 weeks? Here's what made that work. It's called compound interest. Compound interest means your money makes money. And then that money makes more money. And then that money makes even more money. It's basically money multiplying itself. Kind of like monkeys. Monkeys multiply fast. Money can do the same if you give it enough time. That's how small investments can turn into $1 million portfolio. not overnight, but over years. So if you're watching this and thinking, okay, but how do I start? Start simple. Invest a small amount every month. $50, $100, maybe $200. Invest in strong companies, or invest in index funds that track the entire market. Keep investing. Don't panic. And most importantly, give it time. Right now, there are millions of people who have zero retirement savings. Don't be one of them. Your future self will thank you. And remember, if a monkey can understand investing, you can too. This is Money Monkey. And I'll see you in the next video. Monkey Money Bag.